In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for budget tracking. So let's go here. We can see the plus icon. Let's just hit that one and then let's choose from templates. Let's type here at the top where we can see the search bar. Let's type budget plan and then let's use this template. Let's just wait it to load. So this is a template from Monday.com, and from here you can customize based on your preference. You can change any item in here, item name, any column name. You can change that however you want. So even though this Monday.com is decent for budget tracking, you could still personally use YNAB, stand for you need a budget. That's a softwares for budget tracking. And if you want to try it out, you can visit the link down below in the description. And that's about it. That's how to use budget tracking for on Monday.com. So if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.